Dear students, a warm welcome to all of you in Standard 7. I want you to understand maths well and also find it interesting. So, do carry out all the activities and constructions given here. So, let's start 7 Maths, chapter number 1, Geometrical Constructions. In previous standard, we have learned about the line, line segment, angle, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector, etc. Now, here we will revise how to draw angle bisector and perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Let us see how to draw an angle bisector using a compass. Example, draw any angle ABC. Draw its bisector. Draw any angle ABC of any measure. Now, place the point of compass on point B and with any convenient distance draw an arc to cut ray BA and BC. See here. Name the points of intersection as point P and point Q. Now, place the point of the compass at point P and taking a convenient distance. Draw an arc inside the angle. Using the same distance, draw another arc inside the angle from the point Q. Now, draw ray BO. Ray BO is the bisector of angle ABC. Measure angle ABO and angle CBO and see, are they of equal measure? Let us learn second construction, perpendicular bisector of a segment. For example, draw a line segment LM of length 7 cm and draw its perpendicular bisector. First, draw segment LM of length 7 cm. Name it as segment LM. Now, place the compass point at L and taking distance greater than half length of segment LM. Draw two arcs, one below and one above of segment LM. Place the compass point at M and using the same distance, draw arcs to intersect the previous arcs at point P and Q. Draw line PQ. The line PQ is the perpendicular bisector of. So this is our required figure of perpendicular bisector of a segment. Now students, you can try question number 1 and question number 2 from practice set 1.